is up? So for today's video, I feel like this video is kind of a little silly, but at the same time it's like so needed, I guess, in a way. So first off, I want to put out there that this video idea is not my idea. Sit down. I want to put that out there as a disclaimer, like this is not my video idea. The person I saw it from, I think her name is Mary. I want to say, I'm not too sure. I'll leave her video actually linked down below, but she did a video of showing you how to do laundry on your Disney College program, and I was like, I don't mind the idea. I like the idea. I feel like it's one of those, you know how, but like at the same time you like question like the setup, everything about it, all that good stuff. But I was like, you know what, I'm gonna film just because. But yeah, I just want to let you know this is not my idea. Whoa, why am I out of breath? I don't know why I'm out of breath, but I haven't been doing anything. But yeah, I have a lot of laundry. I figured I'd show you guys how to do laundry while you're here. But yeah, my name is Lauren. I just separated all my clothes. I'll flip my camera around to show you my basket and to show you how much. I'm going to be paying partially in quarters and then the rest I think on card. So I will show you guys how to do that. And yeah, we're going to head on to the laundry facility. So that is my laundry basket right there. All that has to be washed. Yeah, so we're gonna head downstairs. Yay. And I will see you guys a little later. I'm just gonna put my Tide Pods in each of them, and then I will bring you guys over to the I hate to say register, but like where you pay. So those, and then those, and then there's all the dryers right over here. So this is where you pay. Right on the top of your machine will say which ones you have. So I have 6, 7, and 8. But you'll just come here and then start machine. $25, okay. And then finish. And then I just come over here, shut the door for these. So shut the door for that one, and then this one, English colors. That is pretty much the setup. And then I just am going to set the timer. It says fill, but it does that for a minute and then it starts up. So yeah, we'll come back and I'll talk to you guys in my apartment. So hey guys, so I just got back. I did want to sit down for a minute and just talk about some things that I know aren't really like hacks or things to just make it easier. And things I recommend and things I just do when it comes to my laundry. And I know to me this sounds so silly because like it's laundry, but I just wanted to make this video. I don't know why. I don't really have a better explanation. But probably one of the biggest tips that I have learned while I was here, and it's something that one of my old roommates told me, which there is this website. I believe it's Laundry View is the name of the website. I'll try to put it down here or down here. And I'll have a screen recording to give you an idea of what I'm talking about. But you can literally go and for select and see which machines are available, what's open, what's not. So for example, I live in Chatham, so I can go into Laundry View, check to see which building it is I'm going to do my laundry, and see like what, I don't want to say what the wait times are for laundry, but like see what machines are available, see what the time is looking like. That way if I'm doing it on say like a day where I have off, I can see ahead of time like, okay, this one's going to be done at this time, this one's got this much time left, etc. So I will try to leave like a screen recording here, and then I'll also leave a link to the website down below. I know for a fact they have Chatham. I'm pretty sure they have the Commons, Vista, and Patterson. I'm pretty sure. I feel like if they have Chatham, I feel like they'd have the rest of them. But one of my old roommates told me that, and that has been such a lifesaver. So I want to share that for y'all, because I don't know how many people know about that, and I don't know if a lot of people know about that. I could be completely wrong. But along with that, another thing that I recommend is doing your laundry for your costumes yourself, because I've seen countless times like where I work, all the CPs, we have a big group chat, and in our group chat we have we'll be like, I'll see randomly like, hey, does anyone have an apron? I turned mine in yesterday, costuming's closed. Is anyone have one that I can borrow? And recently, because of like, I think it's daylight saving time, costuming recently changed their hours. So that's why people would go and turn stuff in, and then when you trade and all that good stuff, they turn stuff in to be washed, and then boom, they'd get a shift there, and then they wouldn't have their apron or whatever they needed. For my location, the costumes I have are pretty basic and pretty simple that I can wash them myself. Like 2 of them are button-ups, and then I have like 2 pairs of like slacks, and then jeans, and then just a white long sleeve shirt, and then another, but like all my stuff is pretty basic stuff that isn't like super delicate. So I can understand if you say like work somewhere like Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique and you're a little nervous to wash your stuff yourself. But if your location's costume is pretty simple, I would recommend washing it yourself, just while you're washing your own clothes, to just go ahead and throw it in there. That's what I do for mine. Instead of going back to costuming back and forth to get a costume and having to remember, oh yeah, I have to make time to go to costuming to get my costume for this and that. Just having it already ready and it's already there. So yeah, I've got the washer is about like 35 minutes, give or take, around 34, honestly. So I've got a couple minutes before I have to head back to move everything to the dryer. So yeah, and then another thing I want to recommend is, for example, like in Chatham, there's one laundry facility that is a lot closer than the one that I normally go to. But the thing is, that one is normally always crowded, and it's not as clean as the one that I just went into. Like the one I just went into was pretty good and like pretty clean, versus the one that is literally like a minute away, not even if that, like it's literally in the building across the street, versus the one over there is like over near the pool, have to walk across the field, over near the pool, then this way. But I mean, it's not that far. I recommend just venturing out and looking and seeing like which laundry facilities are nicer, because there's multiple laundry areas in every complex. So I would just recommend that. Take a look and see which ones are close to you, which one's nicer. Because I know the one that's closer to me, there was always an issue with one machine being broken and taking people's money, and it just wasn't as nice. It wasn't like the machines were bad, but it's just like people would leave their stuff there all the time, and it just wasn't clean. So I would just venture out, because most likely there's probably one that's just a little bit more of a distance that might be nicer. So yeah, I'm just gonna sit around, and I will catch up with you guys later, and I will come back when it is time for me to put everything in the dryer. But bye guys. guys, so I just got back from putting my stuff in the dryer. The last clip, one of the dryers, as soon as I went to put it in, like it was saying that one was in use, but it wasn't. So that's why the clip looks the way it does, but I had to switch them out, put in a different one. But yeah, drying is pretty much the same process as washing. You just put it in, go up to the machine, all that good stuff. But yeah, I've got about an hour for it to finish drying. So I'm just gonna end the video here because, I mean, you don't need to see me go pick up my clothes. I mean, it's pretty straightforward. But yeah, I hope this video is helpful. I feel like it's like, I think I said this earlier, I feel like it's self-explanatory, but like at the same time, it's like one of those, it's like, I don't know. But I hope this video is helpful. I hope that you find it interesting. I will see you guys in the next video, but for now, I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you later. Bye.